Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, tmosso@the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. Today, we discuss a 100-piece limited edition launched in 2014 from Vacheron Constantin. This is the Traditionnelle World Time Excellence Platine. So, from the collection, we had a world timer that was exactly this size with exactly this running gear, but it did not feature the Excellence Platine treatment. Now that was reserved for 2014 when this monster rolled out of Geneva. 42.5 millimeters in diameter and yet svelte at only 11.8 millimeters thick. It's 49.1 from lug tip to lug tip with a 22 millimeter spacing in between the lugs. What makes this watch monstrous is that it is all platinum, and I do mean all platinum. The Traditionnelle World Time Excellence Platine, part of a series of Vacheron watches first debuted in 2006 that would feature platinum dial, platinum case, platinum buckle, and even a platinum threaded strap. So the Traditionnelle World Time gets the Platine treatment, and we have a watch that is 165 grams, despite being on a strap rather than a bracelet. Taking a look at it on my wrist, you can see that the Excellence Platine version of the Traditionnelle World Time has a big footprint, but it's not too big for my wrist. You can see the lugs are still inboard, though I do think you could wear this watch on a wrist much smaller than mine. So my wrist is 16 centimeters circumference. I think that's fine. If your wrist is my size or larger, game on. If your wrist is smaller, you definitely want a smaller Vacheron dress watch. Now in profile, you can see it's fairly compact with a sloped bezel, so it will slip underneath a dress cuff. We've got this incredible strap that must cost a fortune. It's laced with genuine platinum thread, and then it's large rectangular scale alligator leather in medium blue with a gloss finish and a little bit of a distressed grain. It's undoubtedly very expensive to make, and that's before we mention that it's alligator leather on both sides, which adds further to the expense, but also improves the durability. And this watch features a clasp that is all platinum. You can see it right there. Believe it or not, on a lot of watches, including those from a number of Richemont Group brands, you will get a white gold buckle on a platinum watch. Not here. You can see the inside features the Maltese cross motif. That's the logo of the brand. You can see the logo right next to the PT950 legend. And then again on the buckle itself, it's a friction fit double fold. Rolling around the case, we have the Traditionnelle's very distinctive stepped lug design, and you can see it's even got a little bit of an undertuck to it. So there's quite a bit of articulation to these lugs. Vacheron, for decades, known for its distinctive lugs. Not always the same design, but always with the same drama and charm. There are some fingerprints here. Don't mistake them for damage. There are no marks on the case. You can also see we have a coined case back that's slightly instepped, and yes, it is a modular complication, which explains why the crown is set so low on the case. The bezel is somewhat stepped in, conical, and terminates in a dial featuring scales outboard for the world time display, as well as secondary sapphires bearing hours and cities. We have 37 distinct time zones here, and this is a unique system with 3 patents granted that allows you to read 37 time zones, including those that exist within increments of 1/2 hour or 1/4 hour. So you could see the difference between the Patrimony, which has baton hands, and the Traditionnelle, which features Dauphine-style hands, is the hand style. Once upon a time, they were one line, but they diverged around 2015. The watch features a combination of half-frosted and half-polished hands for better contrast. Pull the crown out all the way, we activate hacking seconds. You can see I'm able to set the time with the 24-hour reference ring moving at half the speed of the hour hand at center. The hour hand at center is your local time. The reference ring shows you the remote time, the time where you are not. And the way to remember where your city of location is set is right at the bottom. That's what this triangular index means. So right here you can see Los Angeles. Now, we also have a distinction between the time zones and cities that use 2 different time zones for winter and summer, and those that use just a single. That's the discrepancy between the black and the blue. So that's what that is all about. Taking a quick look at how this adjustment system works, you can see that if I'm not using the hacking that allows everything to be adjusted and stops the seconds hand, there's an intermediate position for setting. And that is where you start to see the influence of the jumps. And you'll notice that the minute hand moves in irregular intervals in certain instances, representing some of those irregular time zones and the increments of 15 to 30 minutes that are less than 1 hour. Now, taking a look at the center, you can see that it is made of platinum with a combination of polish and media blast. It's a projection of the globe from the North Pole. Turning it all over, you can see on the back individual numbering. This is number 14 of 100. We have caliber 2460 WT. Uses ceramic bearings for higher efficiency winding. It has a 22 carat rotor, not 21, not 18, 22 carats. Features a 4 Hertz beat rate, 27 pivot joules, a 40-hour power reserve, 5-position adjustment, and then Geneva hallmark decoration on both movement. And you can see by the time this watch was made, it was a full case standard that also includes the quality of materials, finishing, and assembly of the case, the dial, and the entire watch, as Geneva Seal is now a full watch standard. You can see the bevels are very nicely done. We have a lovely solarization on the ratchet wheel above the barrel. We have engine turning and a lovely cut on the rotor. We have stripes across the bridges. Locating pegs that help to locate the bridges on the base plate have been mirror polished on their tops. You can see engine turning on the base plate. Satination on the wheels. And finally, all screw heads mirror finished with chamfered slot circumference, and also beveling within the jewel and the screw sinks. All of this 30 meters water resistant. If you love this watch, reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details of the maximum strength full platinum Traditionnelle World Time.